Hi Samar, how are you?
I'm doing good. How are you?
Yeah, absolutely fine. अपने बारे में कुछ बताओ.
Well, hi. I'm Samar, 22-year-old, sports enthusiast, music enthusiast. Basically, enthusiastic about everything जो भी होता रहता है. Like I like to be in the thick of things. मतलब I don't like to be left out. Or I try to do my best. And might sound a bit arrogant on my part, but like I end up getting involved in things. So that's a success factor, I guess. Apart from that, particularly I like reading a lot. I like writing more than reading, more than, just to say. Music is obviously everybody's favorite. Apart from that, I like hanging out with my friends. I like making new friends. Or I like to travel. Of late, I have not been able to travel much, so once I get placed, which is on the agenda next up, I think of going on an extended travel tour, kind of a self.
So you regret not getting enough free time to travel.
Exactly, exactly.
ठीक है, आपने इसमें लिखा है कि most adventurous thing that you have done is go to YouTube, type Harlem triple ITM.
Exactly.
The thing
That's
is,
the
we
most
didn't
adventurous
find it
thing I've done.
adventurous at
No,
all.
like I guess that events like this, there is a certain sort of grace that you have to carry along with yourself.
Okay.
So I guess to the extent of gracefulness, I guess this is it.
So this is the most gracefully adventurous
Yeah,
event
exactly.
that can be talked about in this.
Very
Event.
nice.
So what's the most adventurous thing you've done?
Okay.
You can talk about it.
Keeping rich.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah. Okay, fine. Being on the national highway.
Just outside college?
No. In Kota, NH1,
Okay.
NH3.
NH1. Okay, fine.
Trucks passing on both sides, and just, and that too without getting high. So just in my senses, doing that. Blindfolded.
You blindfolded.
I was blindfolded.
Peer pressure.
No.
You did it by yourself.
Yeah, I'm a bit.
But why would you do that?
Yeah, exactly. That's the level of stupidity that people actually question a lot.
Yeah.
But I'm thankful of having found friends like this, so it's okay to be called a fool in a group rather than standing alone. So I'm cool with that.
So you filled the form in 3 days, Saman.
Right. Yes.
So did you have to think a lot in the questions, or was
No,
it
no,
like
no.
you just kept the form and slept for 1 day and then?
No, exactly. What happened was that I was filling the form, and in one of the days I had some parties and stuff lined up,
Yeah.
to be very honest.
Yeah.
And the next day I went for oral promotion outside, so we were busy the whole day, so I couldn't fill the form. And I was a bit complacent because the date was far away, so I wanted to give time to the form. If I didn't want to rush things up.
Saman, आपने लाइफ में अभी तक क्या अचीव किया है?
Yeah.
पहले तो आप नर्वस तो नहीं हो?
नहीं,
Are you stressed because
I'm
you
not
had so much energy in the GD?
No, I'm just relaxed. I'm actually pretty relaxed.
Cool.
So
ठीक है.
the thing is that parameters have been there, different parameters success के. As we grow up, parameters change होते रहते हैं. So बचपन में क्लास में फर्स्ट आना achievement लगता था, success लगता था, वो भी किया. उसके बाद I was very much stage conscious. I had to overcome that.
You were stage conscious.
I was very much stage conscious.
Okay.
I used to sweat like anything.
Okay.
And वो overcome किया. So again that was a success for me. I dressed like a hooligan.
Well,
It was back in 10th. I can quote an example.
was it a fancy dress competition or you did it just on?
No. I thought that I'm looking very sexy,
Okay.
but that wasn't the case, obviously. I was a very fat kind of a fellow, and उसके बावजूद I wore a pink golden shirt and white cargos to my 10th class prom, and I thought that I was the
Who wears pink?
yeah, I was the loner.
Yeah.
And like but then I went to Kota, and then I saw that how people dress up decently. That was the first time I felt inferiority complex in my life. So तब I decided that no, I have to refine things a bit. And fine, after that when I came to this institute, यहाँ पे आके भी I learned a lot from my seniors and friends that they used to dress up nicely and stuff.
You had prom in your school. What was it?
Yeah.
An ICSE school?
Yeah.
Okay.
It is nice.
Must be.
Obviously, like yeah, I was conscious of talking to the opposite sex.
Really?
Yes.
And
I
when
know
did that
it comes
consciousness?
as yeah, it comes as a surprise right now, but
Yeah.
it was the fact. Like off late, अभी जो मेरे स्कूल के friends हैं जब वो पूछते हैं कि when they know that when they come to know that I talk to people like this, so they are very skeptic कि नहीं यार तू तो पढ़ता रहता होगा पूरे time ये वो. So this is the biggest success I guess of my life, that I have been able to transform myself whenever I wanted to. and I think of carrying it forward throughout my life.
Okay, we totally loved your form. Okay, if this is a confession room, would you like to confess something? We'll delete that from the cameras, or we'll shut down the cameras.
Not a problem, man. Confessing regarding.
It can be anything. It can be anything जो आपके दिमाग में भी आ रहा है. That will make you feel better. क्योंकि आपके form में तो you have written already so many things. We can't question anything about your form. So
That's too clear.
that's yeah. So there should be something that you want to tell us. अंदर से आपको डिजायर आ रहा है कि फॉर्म में मैंने नहीं बोल पाया, मेरे को अभी बोलना है.
अच्छा. Form regarding form, I thought that जो controversial वाले मुद्दे होते हैं, जिसमें मतलब आप opinion थोड़ी controversial दे सकते हो, वो इसमें नहीं था सच. तो that's why it was a very easy thing comparatively. It was a very sigh of relief. But like जैसे कुछ ऐसी चीजें थी, like for example, I feel very strongly about this जो child fetus killing and abortion. This is one of the few social things that I actually am concerned about. I must confess that I am not very much a society's person. मैं self-centered हूँ, काफी ज़्यादा, and I put myself before society. And this is on record, and I don't want it to be deleted because this is a fact.
Okay.
And
no, but that is a good thing in modern times, isn't it?
Yeah, it is a good thing, but then again, we all have our perceptions, right? Like I might be hated for this, and but then again, I don't care about it. So
Correct.
this is a confession that fine, I'm self-centered, and I have had to face the ire of people that I love because of this, because they think that one should be, they should live for others. Parmarth ke liye
Let's
jiyo.
assume that you are the winner, you can Mr. Average,
Okay.
and people start saying that everything was pre-planned and
Okay.
you are not deserving.
Mhm.
So how would you feel?
Last year, people came up to me and said that जीत गया तो तुम, and then I didn't win. So जब तब उन लोगों ने कुछ नहीं बोला, they don't have the right to say anything this time.
Okay, you're saying that the one thing that you're best at is oration and composing witty replies.
Right.
Do you go to gym?
Nah.
And after this, we might have some physical stuff. So are you ready for that?
I am in the institute's sports team, cricket team, so I guess I can play. I'm good at almost all the sports. I'm not saying I'm a perfect champion kind of person. I'm not a Vishmak Boy party, but then again, I know how to play stuff, and I think I'll.
Are you satisfied of your life?
Very much. I love my life. I love
Something
myself.
that you regret deeply from the time?
Yeah, I regret not going to Columbia after clearing SAT. I had a
Okay.
chance to go there, but sometimes I regret I'm Gwalior and I'm not enjoying the life. But then again, it has its perks.
ठीक है, समझ. It was nice talking to you. It was nice reading your form. इतनी अच्छी handwriting बहुत ही कम लड़कों की होती है.
Thank you.
So thank you so much.
Thank you. Thanks a lot.